After mounting criticism to issue a statewide stay-at-home order, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis is finally reversing course and will now order Floridians to stay at home. It's to take effect on Friday. Coronavirus infections are rising in the state with nearly 7,000 cases, nearly 100 deaths. CNN's Rosa Flores is in Fort Lauderdale with more on the governor's about-face. So, Rosa, the governor said he was waiting to hear from the White House on what to do. The White House yesterday didn't say he should do it, but did say these are our guidelines.
You know, I listened carefully to that press conference from Governor Ron DeSantis, Anderson, and he said that he was taking his cue from the President of the United States. He was watching that press conference that you're referencing, and that he saw the change in demeanor by the President. And when the President announced the extension of 30 days to social distancing, Governor Ron DeSantis says that that's when he knew that life would not return to normal and decided to issue the statewide order. Take a listen.
Given the unique situation in Florida, I'm going to be doing an executive order today directing all Floridians to limit movements and personal interactions outside the home to only those necessary to obtain or provide essential services or conduct essential activities.
Again, this is a statewide order that impacts all Floridians with a few exceptions, and that is for essential services like health care. But Anderson, this comes after extensive criticism by lawmakers here in Florida, by experts that have been asking Florida Governor Ron DeSantis to issue such an order. Anderson?
And DeSantis has also been against letting two ships with some with infected and asymptomatic passengers dock in Florida. Where's the ship now, or both the ships now, and what's going to happen to those passengers?
You know, the ships are off the coast of Cuba at the moment, and during this press conference, Governor Ron DeSantis not making a complete about-face, but definitely changing his tune about the people on this ship, or at least on the Floridians on that ship. We know that there's at least 49 of them. The governor announcing in the past hour that he will accept the Floridians that are on this ship to actually get off the ship and be here in Florida. But here's the thing, Anderson, it's not just up to the governor. The individuals who are making these decisions are the Broward County Commissioners and Unified Command, which includes U.S. Coast Guard, Customs and Border Protection, and other agencies. And they met for 5 hours yesterday, debated, and then tabled the issue until tomorrow. So that decision hasn't been made. These individuals and these groups did not accept the plan that the cruise line provided, which would allow passengers that do not have symptoms to actually go home, passengers with symptoms to stay quarantined on the ship for 14 days. And they were asking for 2 hospital beds for individuals that are on the ship that need medical attention to that degree. But again, all of this is still very controversial. A lot of the passengers on board have been going to social media. They've written letters to Governor Ron DeSantis asking for mercy and compassion, Anderson, because as you know, 4 people have died on the ship, and we know that at least 8 others have tested positive for COVID-19, and dozens of others are already exhibiting flu-like symptoms.
Such a nightmare. Rosa Flores, thank you. Appreciate it. We'll continue to follow what's going to happen to those people.